Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for dry skin. Start by testing a small patch on your inner arm, then cleanse the area gently. Use a pea-sized amount mixed with your moisturizer or carrier oil application. Massage in circular motions. When choosing vitamin E, prefer natural D-alpha tocopherol for better absorption and skin benefits. Look for serums or oils with clear concentration labels, such as 1% to 2%, to reduce irritation risk. Pair vitamin E with a lightweight carrier oil like jojoba or squalane to balance hydration and prevent clogged pores. Always avoid applying to inflamed or broken skin, and adjust frequency if you notice redness or bumps after use. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more skincare tips and routines. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for relaxed reading during your evening routine while vitamin E soaks in, with crisp text and long battery life. I like how easily it fits on a nightstand and doesn't glare under dim lights. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Apply vitamin E with care by starting small and increasing gradually as your skin tolerates it. Mix a pea-sized amount into your nightly moisturizer or blend with a carrier oil to reduce potency and improve spreadability. Massage gently in upward circular motions until fully absorbed, and keep treatments to a few nights weekly initially. If irritation appears, reduce frequency or discontinue, then consult a professional for stubborn reactions or allergies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.